Today is supposed to be sunny and warm.
Welcome to the Global Lexia University. I'm your host, Ms. University. Today we're teaching you about Lexia from level 1 to level 21. Here we go.
Welcome to Amia's World. On today's episode, would you like to let's get started?
Get ready to warm up. Choose an activity to begin. Choose the vowel combination you hear. Get ready to warm up. Choose an activity to begin.
Sunny and warm. A perfect day for a picnic. I can't wait to go to the park. It was a long, cold winter. I know, Moby. I shouldn't pack my lunch in a paper bag. I should get a bag I can reuse. One that I can use again and again. Like your bag. This bag will be garbage after I use it. That's not good. Yes, Moby. I ought to have a reusable bottle, too. That isn't good either, right? Okay. What am I supposed to put my sandwich in? Moby, you are the greenest robot I know. You're still orange, Moby. To be green, you're still orange, Moby. You're still orange, Moby. To be green means you care about like the bird, to the park before it gets late. I could learn a lot from you, Moby. But we must get to the park before it gets late. Who could do this to our park? Oh no! Look at our favorite place. People mustn't litter. Didn't they see the sign? All of this garbage is bad for the environment. Animals could accidentally eat a plastic bag or other garbage. They might get sick. Yikes! A person or animal might step on glass and get hurt. And listen.
So that's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode. that's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.